Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick tech update. So some of the specs of the upcoming OPPO Find N2, which is expected to be the successor of the Find N, has been reviewed, and I'll share them with you guys in this video. So the OPPO Find N2 is a foldable phone. It's going to have a foldable screen that supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and it seems the device will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So the size of the display is 7.1 inches. It's an AMOLED LTPO foldable display, and the device is going to run on the ColorOS 13 based on the latest Android 13. And according to the details, the device would be available in 3 colors: black, white, and green. And it's also going to have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Some online sources also speculated that the device will support Hasselblad's camera optimization, which is kind of cool. It's a flagship device, so we expect this device to be equipped with tons of cool features. And it seems the device will be available in China alone, which is quite unfortunate. That we don't know yet. All these are just speculation, rumors, guys. And I think in about a few months from now, the device would be officially released, or maybe more specs of the upcoming flagship would be revealed. So what are your thoughts about the upcoming flagship from OPPO, the OPPO Find N2? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.